Hi everyone, I hope you are having good day today, and welcome back to my new video. On this tutorial I'm gonna show you, can you downgrade iOS 18 to iOS 17 without computer? If you have the same question, you've come to the right place. Many users are looking for a solution after they upgrade the iOS, only to find it unstable. And many are recommended to do that using a computer. But some prefer to downgrade iOS without using a computer. But is it feasible? Before we discuss about how to downgrade from iOS 18 without computer, it's important to figure out if this is feasible, and the answer is no. Currently, there is no technology that enables you to downgrade iOS without using a computer. I have two tools if you want to downgrade your iOS 18. First, you can use Tenorshare Reboot to downgrade iOS 18 to iOS 17. Reboot supports the easiest all-around solution for iOS, iPadOS, macOS downgrade and upgrade. This iOS downgrade tool will help you explore iOS 18, beta new features, or downgrade from iOS 18 beta to previous version without jailbreak. Install Reboot on your computer. Launch Reboot, then select Downgrade or Upgrade. On this case, select Downgrade to downgrade iOS 18 to iOS 17. Make sure you have backup your data, because downgrading iOS 18 will losing your data. Download the firmware. Then wait until downloading the firmware success. Then click Initiating Downgrade to downgrade your iPhone. Your iPhone will automatically restart. On the second tool, you can try 3U Tools to downgrade iOS 18. Download 3U Tools on their official website. Make sure your device is connected to computer. Click Smart Flash menu on the top. Then click the firmware. Click Download the firmware and wait till downloading success. To make it quick, after you download the firmware, please click Flash. 3U Tools will notify you to back up your data first before downgrading. Please back up your data first. After back up the data, you can downgrade your iPhone, then restore the data with 3U Tools. So, you don't losing your data when downgrading the iOS? You can check the link download of the tools on description. After back up the data, you can continue downgrading process. Your iPhone will automatically restart. Please wait, it takes some minutes when your iPhone turn on. You will see a hello screen on your iPhone. Please finish the setup because your iPhone like a new. Your iPhone will notify you to restore your data from iCloud or iTunes, so you can restore the data from 3U Tools or Reboot. After restore success, your iPhone has been success downgrade to iOS 17. You can use your iPhone like usual without any error or bug, because iOS 18 still beta and contains a lot bug on beta version. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more update, and see you on the next tutorial. Thank you.